Well, in this video, we'll see regarding the delete and truncate statement. Yeah. So, yeah, this is the current session. Okay. And we have table that's book details. Okay. Before that, check the current parameter on the auto commit. Okay. Here is the true means auto commit. Okay. The moment we do any DML, right, to the auto commit automatically will be saved. Okay. So now we are performing delete, right? Okay, so delete and truncate, delete and truncate as part of DML. Okay, so will be whatever we do operations, right? Okay, using the delete and truncate, data will be saved automatically. Let's see how we can do. Okay, now I'm checking the data. For, okay, these many records are available. Let's try to delete few records. Okay, now I want to delete. Okay, some region. Okay, this record I don't want. Okay, then I'm deleting. Command is simple: delete from this table. Always use fully qualified. And if I execute like this, what happens? All records will be deleted. If I execute without any condition, all records will be deleted. Okay, no, I don't want that. I want to delete only one record. Okay, which is reasoning. Okay, so where book name reasoning, that record only I want. Okay, so what Snowflake will do, it will come, it will check this. Okay, column. Okay, wherever matches reasoning, here is only one record is matching. Okay, if you have 10 records like reasoning matching, 10 records will be selected and deleted here. Okay, now only one record will be deleted. Okay, now record is deleted. Okay, now go and check whether that is still record is available or not. Now see, there is no record. Okay, now go and check in another session also whether this one is deleted or not. Why? Because that is auto commit, right? Okay. There is no record here also. Here also this is different session ID. Sorry, this is different session ID. Okay, now if I use truncate, if I use truncate. Okay, I'm using truncate table. What is table name? This is the table name. My truncate is executed. Now go and check the data. No record means truncate means all records will be deleted. Deleted. Okay, you cannot okay pass where statement. Cannot pass where statement. But for the delete, where we can pass the where statement. Okay, that is the difference. Now we use truncate statement means all records are deleted. Okay, now go and check in other session. Sorry, see, no records are available. So that is the main difference. Okay, but if you come to differences, delete truncate. Okay, Okay, this command and this command. Okay, so here delete means we can select the particular record to delete. Okay, or else we can remove all the records also. If you don't provide any where condition, you don't provide where condition, what happens? Entire table data will be deleted. But we have flexibility here to give where condition to select the particular record to delete. Okay. Now here we don't have where condition. We cannot give where condition. Directly all data will be deleted. Okay. So see, we cannot use where, we cannot use condition. Okay. Here we can use condition. That is the main difference. Okay. Now in Oracle, right? In Oracle. Okay. Truncate, truncate is actually DDL command. Truncate is DDL command. So DDL means it will commit automatically. It will commit automatically. But DMLs, right, in Oracle, not auto commit. We have to use commit statement. We have to use commit statement, which we discussed last session, right? TCL command. Okay. So here also, yesterday, last video also we saw, right? So parameters. This one, if we set is a false, means these statements we need to commit. Then only data will be reflected in the another session. Okay. So auto commit. Okay. If you use auto commit, means we cannot roll back. We cannot roll back. Delete, right? Talking about only. Okay. Okay. So this is not auto commit. Auto commit means we can roll back. Okay. So this is DML, right? Deleting DML. So in Oracle, DML is not auto commit. So we can roll back before committing. Okay. Truncate is DDL command. So it will behave like a auto commit. Okay. Then we cannot roll back. So that is also different if you compare if you are comparing. Okay. So if anyone asks the difference between in Oracle database means this is a difference. Okay. Another difference is here we can pass where statement. Here we cannot pass where statement. Okay. Now let's try to okay uh, understand the session more. Okay. I will walk through the documentation as we already discussed. Right. TCL means transaction control language. Okay. We already discussed what commit will do, what rollback will do. Okay. So sequence of SQL statement executes as a init. Okay. Suppose I want to commit multiple statements. So 100 records are inserted, 20 records are deleted, for and 5 records are updated. For all transactions, right? For all transactions, I want to commit it. In now, right? This is auto commitment will commit automatically. Okay. Now what I will do, I will try to create one session, like one transaction. Okay. Within the session, I will try to create one transaction. Okay. See, session and transaction. Session I already explained. The moment, right? If I open from the UI, from the UI, right? The moment I open any worksheet, the session ID will create differently. Okay. That is one way. Another way is, okay, here is my Snowflake account. This is my Snowflake account, right? Okay. Here, if I one is worksheet, okay, one session ID will create, or else suppose I'm connecting from the Python. Using Python, I'm connecting Snowflake. Then one session ID separate will create. Okay. I'm using SnowSQL. Okay. SnowSQL. If I'm connecting from SnowSQL to Snowflake, one separate session ID will create. Like this, if you're connecting from third any driver, okay, okay, any connector, okay, or any third party tool, okay, one separate session ID will create. Okay, that is what it's meaning. Okay. Anyway, for this one, authentication is required. Authentication is required. Okay. Now, using this statement, okay, we can check what are the current sessions are available. Another way is metadata, account usage, okay, schema, where we can check the sessions also. Let's go and check that one first. Okay. So I'm not using command in the Snowflake. There is account usage. In account usage, there is a view. Now go and check where session is available. So this is the view available which contains the all session details. Okay. What I'm doing is just removing. There is a three dots. Okay. Click on that one. Place name in editor means it will give fully qualified name, particular that object. Okay. See, this is database name. This is schema name. This is actually view name. Okay. Giving. Now select. Okay. Just execute this statement. See, all session IDs are available. Okay. What about this? This session ID 922, right? Okay. Let's filter it. Order by created order by this column means I want latest session IDs. Okay, on top. Okay, descending. So based on this column, I'm ordering. Okay, with descending. So, sorry. The order by. Oh, so latest one. This session ID. So our one is 922, right? If you want, you can check it. Okay, 922. We'll go here. 922. Okay. Another session we have, right, in 894. Okay. 894 also should be there. See here on the session 894. Okay. Like this we can check all the session IDs here also. Okay. That is different. So or else we can check manually, right? We can go to query history. Here also we can check the particular query, okay, where it ran, okay, on which session ID. Like this we can check it. Okay. As I told this one, right? Same. Okay. Sequence of steps should be execute. All sequence of steps means as the unit. Okay. All the statements should be committed or rollback. Okay. So what we can do? We can commit, we can roll back sequence of steps. Okay. How we can do? Okay. Then what I will do? I will try to begin the transition. I will do some operations. Okay. Then I will decide whether I need to save or not. Okay, how I can do, I will see. Okay, so before that, checking so parameters again. This is still true, means auto commit only. Now what I will do? Begin transaction and be so transaction is started. Now show transactions. See, this is my transaction started, not a session. This is transaction. Okay. Now what I will do? Let's try to create small table. Create a replace table. Okay. So table. I'm just creating like test table. Okay. ID just number. Okay. I'm not creating more columns. I'm just creating only one column. Okay. So I forgot table keyword. Okay. My table is created successfully. Try to insert the data. Okay. Or else first describe the table. Describe the table. Okay. My this is the table structure. Only one column. Let's try to insert the data. Values. Okay. I'm just giving one ID. I'm inserting multiple records. Okay. I have only one column, right? So two, like three, like four. Okay. Four records I inserted. Let's execute. Okay. Now check this data. Now check this data. Four are available. Okay. Now show transactions. Still the transaction is available. So transaction. Okay. There is no transaction. Okay. Here I started transaction. Okay. But I inserted some few record. Okay. Later I once I'm checking this transaction available or not, it's not available. Why? Because okay, due to this parameter. Okay, so this is auto committer, right? The moment I okay started like begin transaction, the moment I do some operations, right? What is happening, right? So those are committing, okay, automatically. Okay. Now what I will do? I will set this one as a false. Then we'll try the same scenario. Okay. Now the same data available in another session also. You go and check here. Okay. See my records are available. Four records. Now what I will do? Alter session set this parameter. Again in last video how we set right as a false and how we practice commit and rollback. The same way we are doing. Okay. Now Now, so parameters. Now this is false. Okay. Now what I will do? I'm taking all this. Okay. Slightly I will change into different table. Okay. Now what I will do? Test table 2. Okay. I'm just replacing with test table 2. Okay. Remaining all are same. Okay. Now I'm doing begin transaction. Okay. First. Okay. Now so transactions. This is my transaction ID. Okay. Now I'm creating table. Okay. The table is created. Now describe the table. One and inserting the records. Now check the data. Again, in this table also same record. Okay. Now show transactions. See, still transaction is available. Okay. Even though we inserted record. Last time what happened? When this auto statement was true means the moment I inserted, records were inserting, records were committing automatically. Means the transaction is completing. Okay. Now transaction is not completed. Okay. If I want to roll back, okay, immediately I can roll back. Okay, when this transaction will complete the moment I give commit or roll back. Okay, explicitly. Okay, when transaction will complete, whenever I give commit and roll back. Why? This time I set my auto commits. Okay, uh, this parameter as a false. Okay, now I want to commit. Okay, the before that go and check the seconds. This data should be available, right? First one is just a table, test table. Second one is test table 2. Okay. See, no data is available. Okay. Now I'm committing. See, now go and check here. Another session. See, now available. Okay. So this is okay. So how we can begin the transaction? How we can okay? Uh, the transaction right? We can commit or roll back. Okay. Later we can take decision. Here. Suppose here I don't want all this inserted record. Okay. Now what I will do? Let me begin one more session, one more transaction. Sorry, not session. One more transaction. Okay. Now already committed, right? That transaction is completed. Now begin one more transaction. Okay. My transaction is started. If you want to check, go and check transaction. Okay. Some this is different transaction. See, this is the transaction ID. Okay. Now insert few more records. Okay. I'm taking the same direct. Okay. Now this time I'm inserting fifth and sixth. Okay, two records I'm inserting. Okay, now check the data. Now see 4, 5, 6. Now what I will do? Okay, I will try to delete few records, delete from this table. Okay, where id equal to 1. The first record I'm deleting. Okay, okay. Now select the data. See, first record id 1 is not available. I deleted. Okay, now go and check in another session. The same day, same changes are reflecting. Nothing. Okay, so here 1 is not deleted, 5 and 6 not added. Okay, not happened. Okay, why? Because we already set auto commit, right, false, right? So just begin stop, this transaction is begin, right? We are not ended this transaction. Okay, how we can end this transaction? By applying the commit or rollback, right? Okay, now check, still transaction is available or not? Yes, still available. Okay, now if I commit, means these two changes will be saved. These two changes will be saved. Okay, again go and check before. So again go and check. See, the first, okay, first id is not available, 5 and 6 available. Okay, now what I will do, I don't want to commit this one. Okay, mistakenly I added this, assume mistakenly I added these two records, and mistakenly I deleted this id, assume. Okay, now I want to roll back. Okay, still this one is not auto committed, right? We have flexibility, we can roll back it. Okay, up to which level I can roll back? Up to here, up to, okay, here. Okay, this is commit is happened here. Okay, means these records are already committed. Okay, I cannot roll back these four values. These four records I cannot roll back. Me. So up to I can go and roll back whatever the transactions I done in this begin transaction. After this begin transaction, those I can roll back it. Okay, and I'm just giving roll back this successfully. Now check. Now see, all records are reverted. Means ID whatever deleted came back. Whatever the two records are inserted by 6. Okay, it is rolled back. Means we did undo changes. Okay. Now another session required to check, not required. Why? Because we didn't commit it. Right? Okay. If I commit means those changes will be reflected. But we did roll back, right? Not required to change anything. Now if I go and check in another session also same records available. Why? Because we didn't commit, right? Okay. Yeah. This is okay. So before ending, okay, we can start transaction just typing just begin or begin work or begin transaction. Okay. How we can end this transaction? Statements means can be anything. Insert, okay, delete, okay, update, okay, all all DML. Ideally all DML. All statements, whatever we are doing, right? Whatever the commands, right? DMLs means we always, okay, deal with the data, right? So whatever we do changes on top of the data. Okay, if you want to save, commit. If you want to roll back, okay, you can do rollback. Rollback means simply undo. Okay, this is so transactions. Okay, the current transaction also we have one more command, we can check it using this context function. This is nothing but context function. Current transaction, okay, the current session, all are like context functions. We can check the uh, values of particular. Okay. Yeah, that's all for this video. Okay. Still, if you have any doubts, okay, you can send out email. Okay. I will respond accordingly. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you.